My name is Cindy, and I would like to tell you about my experience with instasmile. After hearing about instasmile, I decided I finally had the answer for my not-so-perfect teeth. After speaking with one of their customer service representatives, I placed my order and received the impression kit within a week. They told me it might take more than once to get the impressions right, but doing them was so much easier than I expected. When I shared with the representatives the photos of the first one, instasmile approved them within a day. Within a few weeks, I had my new veneers. I absolutely love my new smile. I will now show you how easy it is to put the veneers in over your teeth and let you decide what you think. This is the little kit they come in. These are the top ones. This is the before. The top. And the bottom. Thank you, instasmile, for my beautiful smile.